Do you want to know how you can log into your Thankyou Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Thankyou Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and go to the search bar to search for Thankyou Payroll login. Click on this link which says Thankyou Payroll. It will lead you to the official login portal of Thankyou Payroll. As you can see, you can log into your account using your Xero, Google or Microsoft accounts, and you can also log in using your email address or username. To use your username or email address, go ahead and click on this box, write down your email address or username and go to the second box and write down your password associated with your account in Thankyou Payroll. After you're done, go ahead and click login, and this is the way you can log into your Thankyou Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, click on this link and you can recover your password or your account back again. So if in case you want to log in with your Xero, Google or Microsoft account, click on these and sign into your Google or Xero or Microsoft account and you can gain access to Thankyou Payroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.